Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix out of video memory error in Duet Night Abyss game. So if you're getting this error out of video memory trying to allocate a rhetoric resources in Duet Night Abyss game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the Duet Night Abyss game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to select the launch with DirectX 11 in the launcher. So open the launcher and you can see launch with DirectX 11. Select if the game crashes. So when you click on start and if you see launch with DirectX 11, then tick mark this option and then your game will work fine. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Third solution is to restart your Wi-Fi router. Now turn off your Wi-Fi router before opening the launcher, and after turning off your Wi-Fi just open the launcher and then again turn on your Wi-Fi back on, and then this trick should work. This has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the Duet Night Abyss game installation folder. So wherever you have installed the game, open that game installation folder. In my case, open C drive, open program files x86. Now open Duet Night Abyss folder. Now open the DNA game folder. Then right click on this exe file and select run as administrator and then check. If that doesn't work, then open the em folder, open the binaries folder, open the Win64 folder, scroll down and then right click on this em Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here from the game installation folder and check. This has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't work, then in the compatibility tab check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it is not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick this 3 option, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to switch the launcher. If you have a game on Epic Games launcher, then switch to the Duet Night Abyss launcher and download the game, and then you can play the game. If you have game on Duet Night Abyss launcher, then switch to Epic Games launcher. So open Epic Games launcher, download the Duet Night Abyss game, and then you can play the game. Now fix 6 is to repair the game files. So open the Duet Night Abyss launcher, click on this 3 horizontal line and then click on repair now. And once the repair has been finished, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Then expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver and then select update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. And after this close this. And then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, select your version of graphic card driver from here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Scroll down, you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and after this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then click on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box, then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Then click on yes. then click on add and allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open the C drive program x86 folder, then look for Duet Night Abyss folder, open it, then select EM launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add and allowed app, browse all apps, open EM launcher folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select EM launcher Win64 shipping exe file, select open, then again click on add and allowed app, then click on browse all apps, go back, open DNA game folder, select EM exe file, click open to add it to the list. Again click on add and allowed app, click on browse all apps, open EM folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select EM Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Duet Night Abyss folder. Now select this EM launcher exe file and then click open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open EM launcher folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select EM launcher Win64 shipping exe file, click open, then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, go back, open DNA game folder, select EM exe file and then click open, then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open EM folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select EM Win64 shipping exe file, then click on open and then click on add and then click on OK to save changes. Now you can launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. You can also turn off your antivirus program and later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft official website, link is provided in my video description, and once you are on this website, scroll down and download both the x86 and x64 version, download both the version. Now you have to install both x64 and x86 version. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now click on x86 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to run the Duet Night Abyss launcher or Epic Games launcher as an administrator. So if you have the game in Duet Night Abyss launcher, then in Windows search for Duet Night Abyss and then click on run as administrator and then check. And if you have the game on Epic Games launcher, then in the Windows search type Epic Games and then open the Epic Games launcher as an administrator and then check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Duet Night Abyss game and then restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or any external drive, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily solve Duet Night Abyss game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, or any other crashing error on PC. So that's all for this video. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve error out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resources in the Duet Night Abyss game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.